Hello and welcome back to Steminism. Today we're going to be learning how to make paper circuits. You can make a fun card or design out of copper tape and an LED. For this experiment you will need a piece of construction paper, a pen, scissors or a hole punch, a coin cell battery, an LED, a binder clip, and copper tape. Start by taking your construction paper and folding it in half. Your design will go on the front of the paper. For my circuit, I chose to make a winter snowman. But your design can be whatever you would like. While you're making your design, keep in mind where you want to place your LED. Next, open your card and lay it flat. Your circuit will go on the right side of the card. For this next part, you will need your coin cell battery and a pen. In the bottom right corner, take your coin cell battery and start tracing it. Once you've traced your battery, draw a dotted line across the corner, leaving the coin cell battery in the space. Then, fold across your dotted line. Then, trace your coin cell battery once more on the other side of the dotted line. Once you've traced your battery twice, label one side positive and the other negative. Next, flip your paper back to the design side and make a mark where you want your LED. I've chosen to give my snowman a nice carrot nose. Then, with a parent's help, take your scissors or a hole punch and punch a hole where you want your LED. Make sure the hole is wide enough that you can fit an LED through the paper. Once you've made the hole, flip the paper over and make a dot with your pen onto the back side of the card. This will let you know where you want to place your LED when you make the circuit. Now it's time to make your circuit. Use your copper tape to make a box. Follow along with me in the video. Start laying your tape on the positive side of the circle. Make sure that your tape begins at the center of the circle and does not overlap over the dotted line or into the negative circle. And as you follow along with me, when you get to the dot where your LED is going to be, make sure to leave about 1/4 inch of a gap outside of the dot. Now you're going to start on the other side for the negative. Now again, make sure the tape does not overlap for each side. This will be important when we are making our actual circuit. And again, just leave some space on the other side of the dot where the LED is going to be. Now that you have your tape laid down, take your LED and bend it so that it lays flat. While you're looking at the little legs of the LED, you'll notice that one side is shorter than the other. This is the negative side. So you're going to want to place it to align with the negative side of the copper tape. Press it to the ends of the copper tape to make sure that a current can run from one side of it to the other. To make sure it sticks down, just take some extra copper tape and stick it to the paper. Now that you have your circuit in place, flip the card over to look at your design and stick the LED through your paper. My snowman now has a nose! To make your LED light up, put your battery on one side of the tape and then fold the paper over. The current should run from the positive side over to the negative side through your LED, causing it to light up. Now my snowman's carrot nose glows! When you're not using your circuit, make sure to take your battery out, flip it the other way around, and put it back in place with the binder clip. That way you won't lose the battery and it won't die as fast. Enjoy your paper circuit!